So the kinds of herbicides that are used vary from application to application, but the one that's attracted the greatest attention here in New Brunswick in particular has been glyphosate, because it's widely used in forestry practices and vegetation management practices. And so the question becomes, is glyphosate, the herbicide glyphosate, safe for use? And the answer, I think, is an unequivocal yes. And why do I say it's safe for use? Because it's been very widely used for a very long period of time. So we're about at the 40-year mark for use internationally, applied across tens of millions of acres every year in thousands of different locations in over 100 different countries and on many food crops. And so from 40 years of use across so many different domains and so many different kinds of applications, from industrial to agricultural to home and garden, one begins to get a sense of the scope of the kinds of effects that one might expect to see if in fact there were adverse effects associated with that use. We know that because of the way in which the chemical is used, the way in which we try to limit exposure to the chemical during routine use, and none of the adverse effects that we typically might have expected to see in fact have been reported. And so with that length of use, with that breadth and depth of use, the fact that we haven't seen significant adverse effects being reported in the scientific literature over a 40-year period gives us a high degree of confidence that the product can be used safely.